Good day, engineers. So today we are going to discuss the last topic on equations of order 1 or the type 9 coefficients linear in the two variables. So ito na yung pinaka-last na type natin. So sabi ko sa inyo, di ba, meron tayong 9 types. So let's start. Consider the equation a sub 1x plus b sub 1y plus c1 times dx plus a sub 2x plus b sub 2y plus c sub 2 dy is equals to 0. So itong equation na to, this represents a line. So ito yung ating m of x and y. So x and y na siya kasi nga two variables na tayo dito. So ito naman yung ating n, x, and y. So ngayon, sabi ko nga it represents a line. So meron tayong line 1, meron tayong line 2. Ngayon kapag itong dalawang line ay nag-intersect or non-parallel lines, so ito yon, magfo-fall siya under case 1. Intersecting line. So kapag nag-intersect sila, magfo-fall siya sa case 1, which is a sub 1 over a sub 2 is not equal to b sub 1 over b sub 2. So type 9 na siya. Then, itong case 2 natin is the parallel lines. So, kapag parallel line siya, case 2, or a sub 1 over a sub 2 is equal to b sub 1 over b sub 2. Then, isosolve natin siya using type 7. So, ang type 7 natin is the substitution suggested by the equation. Since sa type 9 tayo, let us assume a sub 1 over a sub 2 is not equals to b sub 1 over b sub 2. So, assume that the value h and k are constant. So, dito, constant daw to. Then, kapag dinerive natin siya, magiging dx equals du. Tapos, dito naman sa y is equals to v plus k is dy over dv. So, kapag nakuha na natin yung ating value ng x, y, dx, then dy, isa-substitute natin siya dito sa ating equation. So, ganito na yung magiging itsura niya. So, di ba ito yung x, then this is the y. Tapos, yung ating dx is naging du na, dv. Tapos, isi-simplify lang natin. Then, i-equate natin si a sub 1h plus b sub 1k plus c1 into 0. So, bakit siya magsi-0? Kasi mamaya makikita nyo sa ating solution, bakit 0 yan. So, ayan, simplify nyo lang. Then, after that, marireduce na yung ating equation into homogeneous functions of degree 1. So, isa-solve na natin siya using homogeneous. So, anong type na yun? Type 2 ba yun? Homogeneous. So, ganyan lang yung pagsosolve natin nitong type 9. So, parang bumabalik lang tayo sa mga previous types natin. So, ngayon, ito yung step. So, ito, meron na to kanina. So, tandaan nyo na lang tong steps natin na 4. Then, we will proceed na sa ating example. So, solve the following equations. 2x minus y dx plus 4x plus y minus 6 equals 0. So, first, we will check muna kung anong type yung gagamitin natin dito. So, ang a sub 1 natin dito is 2. So, yung coefficient ng x. Then, b sub 1 naman natin is the coefficient of y. So, negative 1. So, a sub 2 is equals to 4. Then, b sub 2 is equals to 1. So, a1 over a sub 2 is equals to b sub 1 over b sub 2. 2 over 4 is equals to negative 1 over 1. 1 half is equals to negative 1. So, hindi sila equal, therefore, type 9. So, hindi kita yung equal sign ko. So, kunin natin yung ating m. Ang m natin is 2x minus y is equals to 0. N natin is 4x plus y equals 6 plus 0. So, equate natin siya into 0 para makuha natin yung kanyang point of intersection. So, paano ba kinukuha ang ating point of intersection? So, yun lang yung values ng x and y natin. So, pag-add natin to, magiging 6x. So, cancel na si y minus 6 equals 0. So, tuloy ko lang dito. So, 6x minus 6 equals 0 or 6x equals 6. Divide both sides by 6. So, ang x natin is 1. Substitute natin si value ng x, which is 1 sa isang equation. So, let's try na lang sa equation, sa m natin. So, 2x minus y is equals to 0. So, 2 times 1 minus y equals 0. So, y is equals to 2. So, meron na tayong point of intersection, which is the x and y, or the h and k. So, sila yung value ng h and k natin. So, h and k, or 1 and 2. So, after that, substitute na natin siya sa x is equals to u plus h. Then, x is equals to u. Ang h natin is 1. So, plus 1. Then, derive natin, magiging dx is equals to du. Then, yung isa, y is equals to v plus k. So, y is equals to v. Ang k natin ay 2. Derive natin, magiging dy is equals to dv. So, meron na tayong mga nakuhang x and y, then the dx and dy. Let's substitute na sa ating equation. So, dito natin siya isa-substitute. So, dito natin siya isa-substitute. So, magiging 2. So, sulat ko lang muna dito sa taas yung ating x. X na u plus 1. So, dx na du. Y na v plus 2. dy na dv. So, substitute na natin. 2 times ang x natin is u plus 1 minus y natin na v plus 2 du plus 4 times u plus 1 plus v plus 2 minus 6. dy natin na dv. Next is distribute natin. Magiging 2u plus 2 minus v plus, minus na pala, minus 2 du plus 4u plus 1 plus v plus 2 minus 6 dv is equals to 0. So, ito magiging plus 2 minus 2 is 0. So, 2u, pangit na sulat. 2u minus v du plus, so 1 plus 2, ay ba't 1 2? So, dinistribute pala, di ba? Magiging 4. So, 4 plus 2 minus 6 is 0. So, magiging 4u plus v na lang to. dv is equals to 0. So, naka-homogeneous na siya. Gawin natin, u is equals to z v. Derive natin, magiging du is equals to z dv plus v dz. So, magiging 2zv minus v. Tapos, ang du natin is z dv plus v dz plus 4 zv plus v. Tapos, ang dv, wala, dv equals to 0. So, dito, pwede natin ilabas si v. Magiging v 2z minus 1 z dv plus v dz plus plus 4, ay hindi pala, v pala yung alisin natin. Sinisimplify lang natin siya, guys. 4z plus 1 dv is equals to 0. So, pwede natin i-divide si v para makancel. Ang matitira na lang is 2z minus 1 dito. Tapos, i-distribute din natin siya using FOIL method na lang para mas madali. So, makakancel na si v, magiging 2z squared dv. So, ito, first, outer, inner, tapos last. Magiging outer natin is plus 2zv dz minus z dv minus v dz plus 4z dv plus dv equals 0. Then, pagsama-sama natin yung mga dv tsaka dz. So, sa kabila na lang. Magdagdag lang ako ng slides kasi kulang. So, dito, magiging, kapag pinagsama-sama natin yon magiging 2z squared minus z plus 4z plus 1 dv plus 2zv minus v dz is equals to 0. So, ito pwede natin i-simplify. Magiging 2z squared plus 3z plus 1. dv plus 2zv minus v dz equals 0. Tapos, labas natin si v. Para si x lang si x. Para si z lang yung matira sa kabila. Magiging 2z squared plus 3z plus 1 dv plus v 2z minus 1 dz is equals to 0. Then, pwede na natin siyang i-simplify or pwede na natin siyang gamitan ng separable. So, divide lang natin to ng v 2z squared plus 3z plus 1. So, magiging dv over v plus 2z minus 1 dz over 2z squared plus 3z plus 1 equals 0. Then, integrate na natin. So, ito, ln v. Ito naman, komplikado. So, gagamitan natin ulit siya ng integration by partial fraction. Sulat ko na lang dito. Considering two z minus 1 dz over 2z squared plus 3z plus 1 equals 2z minus 1 dz over 2z plus 1 then z plus 1. So, finactor out lang po natin itong equation. So, next, so using integration by partial fraction, ang haba ng solution nito. So, meron tayo yung kanina na 2z minus 1, then 2z plus 1, z plus 1 equals a over 2z plus 1 plus b over z plus 1. Then times natin ng 2z plus 1, then z plus 1. Magiging 2z minus 1 is equals to az plus 1 plus b 2z plus 1. So, mag-let tayo. So, ito, para makancel, mag-let tayo ng negative 1. Tama? So, z is equals to negative 1. So, 2 times negative 1 minus 1 is negative 3. Equals to a, or 0 na pala to, plus b 2 negative 1 plus 1. So, 3. B is 3. Then, z is equals to negative 1 half. Negative 2 is equals to a negative 1 half plus 1 plus 0. So, ang a natin dito ay negative 4. So, sulat na natin siya. So, sa next na lang. Pang ilang slide na to? Pang 5 na ata. So, magiging yung una, dv over v minus 4 dz over 2z plus 1. So, ito yung a na part plus 3 dz over z plus 1 equals 0. So, integrate na natin, magiging ln v minus 4. So, may 2 dito, tapos walang 2 sa taas, kaya mag-times tayo ng 1 half para maging ln 2z plus 1 plus 3 ln z plus 1 equals c. So, simplify lang natin, magiging ln v minus 2 ln 2z plus 1 plus 3 ln z plus 1 equals c. Pwede natin ipagsama-sama since ln naman silang lahat. Tama. So, ito is product since addition. Tapos, so, di ba ito, pwede natin i-write sa minus ln 2z plus 1 squared plus ln z plus 1 raised to 3 equals c. So, pagsama na natin, magiging ln v times z plus 1 cube over 2z plus 1 squared. Ay, ba't 0 to? Equals c. So, maglagay tayo ng e. So, magiging ano na lang siya. V z plus 1 cube over 2z plus 1 squared is equals to c. Then, pwede tayong mag-multiply ng 2z plus 1 squared para makancel si denominator. So, magiging v z plus 1 cube is equals to c 2z plus 1 squared. Then, ang z natin is, balikan natin. Saan na ba yun? So, ito, ang z natin dito ay z is equals to u over v. So, magiging v u over v plus 1 cube is equals to c to u over v plus 1 squared. So, simplify natin, magiging ito v doon. So, u plus v over v cube equals c. So, 2u. So, magiging 2u plus v over v squared. So, cancel natin c. So, distribute natin si cube at saka si squared. So, magiging v u plus v cube over v cube equals c 2u plus v squared over v squared. So, makakancel na natin si v dito. Magiging 2 na lang. So, labas natin magiging 1 over v squared times u plus v cube is equals to 1 over v squared c 2u plus v squared. So, since meron tayong 1 over v squared sa left and right, pwede natin siyang i-cancel. So, magiging u plus v cube is equals to c 2u plus v squared. So, eto na yung ating, hindi yan yung sagot. Wait. Kulang na sa slide. Wait. So, sulat ko lang ulit. So, ang last natin dun is u plus v cube is equals to c 2u plus v squared. But, x is equals to u plus 1 or u is equals to x minus 1. So, nakuha natin to dun sa ginawa natin kanina. Y is equals to v plus 2. So, ito magiging v is equals to y minus 2. So, substitute natin siya dito sa equation natin na yan. So, parang ipabalik lang natin siya. So, magiging, ang u natin is x minus 1. So, x minus 1, ang v natin is y minus 2 cube. Pwede ganito na lang. Is equals to c 2, ang u natin is x minus 1 plus y minus 2 squared. So, simplify natin, magiging x plus y minus 3 cube is equals to c, 2x minus 2 plus y minus 2 squared. So, magiging x plus y minus 3 raised to 3 is equals to c, 2x minus 2. Ay, hindi na pala. Kasi negative 2 minus 2 is negative 4. So, c2x plus y minus 4 squared. So, ito na yung ating sagot. So, mahaba siya, guys. So, meron pa tayong isang problem. So, magdagdag lang ako ng aking slide. So, next, x plus y minus 4 dx minus 3x minus y minus 4 dy. So, ito, ang a1 natin dito is 1. Ang b sub 1 natin is 1 din. A sub 2 is 3. B sub 2 is negative 1. A1 over A sub 2 is equals to B1 over B sub 2. So, ito magiging 1/3. Ito magiging 1 over negative 1. So, 1/3 is equals to negative 1. So, is not equal. Therefore, type 9. Next, kunin natin yung ating point of intersection. So, ang point of intersection natin, x plus y minus 4 equals 0. 3x minus y minus 4 equals 0. So, kunin natin yung value ng ating x and y. So, ito, pag pinag-add natin yan, magiging 4x. Ito na lang yung, lagyan nyo na lang ang m, tapos n. 4x, so mawawala yung y. Pag pinag-add is negative 8 equals 0. So, 4x is equals to 8. So, divide both sides by 4. Ang x natin ay 2. So, substitute natin yung 2 magiging 2 plus y minus 4 equals 0. So, y is equals to 4 minus 2 or y is equals to 2. Therefore, ang h and k natin ay 2 and 2. So, ito yung ating PI or point of intersection. So, yung let natin, let x is equals to u plus h, x is equals to u plus 2, dx is equals to du, y is equals to v plus k, y is equals to v plus 2, so dy is equals to dv. So, substitute na natin, magiging u plus 2 plus v plus 2 minus 4 du minus 3 u plus 2 minus v plus 2 minus 4 dv equals 0. Then, magiging u plus 2 plus v plus 2 minus 4 du minus 3u plus 6 minus v minus 2 minus 4 dv is equals to 0. Tama ba? 6, 6, 1, 2. So, 2 plus 2 is 4 minus 4 is 0. So, magiging u plus v du minus 6 to 0 then 3u minus v dv is equals to 0. So, naka-homogeneous na siya. Ulit natin, u is equals to zv or du is equals to zdv plus vdv. So, sa kabilang slide na lang, magiging zv plus v zdv plus vdz minus 3zv minus v dz. Ay, dv pala. Equals 0. So, simplify natin. Pwede natin ilabas agad si v dito. Tapos, i-distribute natin si z plus 1. So, magiging v z squared dv plus z dv plus zv dz plus v dz minus v 3z minus 1. Ay, dp na lang pala. dv minus v. Ay, dv. Equal 0. So, pwede natin ulit i-divide sa v. Magiging z squared dv plus z dv plus z v dz plus v dz minus 3z dv minus dv equals 0. Ay, plus pala, ay negative. So, magiging plus. Then, pagsama-sama natin yung dv tsaka dz. So, sa dv, meron tayong z squared plus z minus 3z plus 1. dv. So, plus zv plus v dz is equals to 0. So, divide natin siya. Para maging variable separable. But, ito, i-ano muna natin. Simplify. Z squared minus 2z plus 1 dv plus lalabas si v z plus 1 is equals I is equals to 0. So, divide natin siya sa v, then z squared minus 2z plus 1. So, magiging wait lang. So, sorry. Pinost ko kasi may nagme-message. So, saan na tayo? Magiging dv over v plus z plus 1 dz over z squared minus 2z ay, not x plus 1 equals 0. So, integrate natin. So, parang same rin lang using partial fraction na naman itong pangalawa kasi komplikado nga siya. So, sulat ko lang. So, considering z plus 1 dz over z squared minus 2z plus 1 equals z plus 1 dz over z minus 1 squared. So, using integration by parts, ay hindi pala by parts. Wait lang. So, using integration by partial fraction, so z plus 1 is equals to z plus 1 ay minus pala. Minus 1 squared is equals to a over z minus 1 plus b over z minus 1 squared. Z minus 1 squared. Wait lang, nawala ko sa sarili. So, pag minultiply natin, magiging z plus 1 is equals to a z minus 1 plus b. So, magle-let tayo. Let z is equals to 1. Magiging 2 is equals to 0 plus b. So, ang b natin is 2. Z is equals to negative 1. Negative 1 plus 1 is equals to a negative 1 minus 1 plus 2. So, ang b natin kanina ay 2. So, magiging 0 is equals to negative 2a. So, dito na lang sa baba. 0 is equals to negative 2a plus 2. So, magiging 2a equals 2. So, divide both sides by 2. Magiging a is equals to 1. Sulat na natin, magiging dv over v plus dz, tama ba? dz over z minus 1 plus 2 dz over z minus 1 squared equals 0. So, integrate natin lahat. Ito magiging ln v plus ln z minus 1 plus so yan magiging negative pala. So, ito, integrate natin. So, para na siyang ganito. Labas si 2, then z minus 1 raised to negative 2 dz. Magiging 2 z minus 1 raised to negative 2 plus 1 over negative 2 plus 1. So, magiging negative 2 z minus 1 raised to negative 1. Kaya magiging answer dyan is negative 2 over z minus 1 equals C. So, times tayo ng z minus 1. So, ito magiging ln v z minus 1 minus 2 over z minus 1 equals C. So, mag-multiply tayo ng z minus 1 para makancel yung denominator. Magiging z minus 1 ln v. Ang z natin is, or sulat ko muna, z minus 1 minus 2 equals c z minus 1. Then, ang z natin is u over v. So, balikan nyo na lang yung sa notes nyo. U over v minus 1 ln v u over v minus 1 minus 2 is equals to c u over v minus 1 so ito magiging u minus v over v, then ln v times u minus v over v minus 2 is equals to c u minus v over v. Cancel si v dito. So, may matitirang v. Pwede tayo magigets nyo pa kaya? So, times tayo ng v. Para makancel si denominator. So, magiging u minus v ln u minus v minus 2v is equals to c u minus v. Then, but x is equals to u plus 2, y is equals to v plus 2. So, u is equals to x minus 2, then v is equals to y minus 2. So, substitute natin yan. Makukuha natin is x minus 2 minus y minus 2 ln x minus 2 minus y minus 2 minus 2y minus 2 is equals to c x minus 2 minus y minus 2. So, simplify lang natin. So, ito, kapag dinistribute natin yung negative, magiging plus na siya. So, x minus y. So, magiging 0 na. So, yan na lang yon. Ln, ito din, plus, kaya magiging x minus y na lang din. Minus 2y plus 4 is equals to c x minus y. So, ito na yung ating answer. 2, 3, 4. So, sulat nyo lang sa notebook nyo para mas lalo nyong magets kapag tuloy-tuloy yung solution niya. So, yun lang yung ating example dito sa type 9. So, masyado siyang mahaba. Pero babalik rin lang siya sa type 2 or yung homogeneous natin. So, thank you for watching guys. Paki-comment done watching, name and section. So, mag-check ako ng attendance nyo ulit dito. So, bye guys.